Hey guys, it's me Claire, and today we're testing out this slime with using this as activator. I prefer this kind, so yeah. So and clear glue. My clear glue is right here, as you can see. So I already poured it in, so I'm not making too much. So now I'm going to add my paint. I think I only need 1 drop. Wow. Guys, this is like hard to see. It's like not turning blue. I'm adding a little at a time. So guys, this is like purple instead of blue, but whatever. Who cares? No, not a big deal. Now let's take our activator. Ew, disgusting. Okay. So guys, I just sprayed some in, and guys, it's actually working. So guys, it's actually working and activating. It's turning into slime. I'm not trying to over-activate it. Guys, this is sticky. Guys, you should probably do this in your parents' room, because they probably like, parents liking fresh smells in their room. So guys, it's taking a long time to activate. Guys, this does work, but it just takes a long time to activate. So guys, now I'm just gonna take some magical liquid, because it's to speed it up. Thank you. Check out our new video, Flying Shoes. So guys, here it is. It actually worked. It's still a little sticky. So guys, this is really nice and I'm so happy it worked. So guys, I used this to activate it. I'm sorry guys, there are people texting while I'm trying to do this video.
Looks like these have been used. Just normal wear and tear from the street. No problem. We can take these back, assuming you still have your receipt. Receipt? No! You could spend all day on a swing eating a baguette, but why do boring things like that when there's the internet? Let's go make some videos. Hey, hey, let's go make some videos. Hey, you could watch Dirk doing crazy dares, saying here we go. He'll do anything.
So guys, this is a really nice blue color.
Look your best. Making over people is her never-ending quest. You could watch.
Do you have constant foot odor?
And get all that glue off.
Ridiculously funny videos, like the one with evil pop-up books that punch you in the nose. Let's go make some videos. Hey, let's go make some videos.
Guys, I'm sorry if my camera is not that good. We've got...
Grandma, what are you doing here? I have a surprise. I am so proud of you for finishing that wilderness class I signed you up for. I'm taking you on a camping trip so you can show off your skills.
Really? When?
Tonight. And the whole gang is invited. Turn
Get how nice that is.
hangs with braids.
Count me in, Grandma. I love camping.
I'll text my mom and see if I can go too. So exciting! I've never been camping.
Look, I'm gonna pass. I'm not a camper. Fresh air makes me feel like I'm choking.
I'm not too. I've heard the Wi-Fi in nature is terrible.
Let's get cracking.
Looks like it's just you and me.
Yep, me and you.
So guys, I'm trying to make this completely non-sticky.